Hello everyone, myself Supriya Takarkar, student of Shivajirao S. Zundare College of Pharmacy. I am going to explain infrared spectroscopy along with my group members Anisha Temkar, Vishal Tikare, Monica Jindal from final year BPharm, guided by Dr. Nitin Mohire sir. Introduction. It is defined as the measurement and interpretation of the absorbed infrared radiation. This method is mainly used for the identification of chemical substances. The absorption is mainly based on the vibrations of chemical substances after absorption of the infrared radiation. The spectrum bands present in the IR spectrum represent the functional group and bonds present in the chemical substance. Hence, the IR spectrum is commonly known as the fingerprint of the chemical substance. The IR region is in between 0.8 and 1000 micrometer. Then this region are again classified into three subclasses. They are as follows: near IR, mid IR, far infrared IR. Principle: when the frequency of the IR radiation is equal to the natural frequency of vibration, the molecule absorbs IR radiation and a peak is absorbed. Every bond or portion of a molecule or functional group requires different frequency for absorption. Theory: the requirements for the IR absorption are as follows. A molecule should have the electric dipole. It should be in the correct wavelength of radiation. The frequency of the vibration is given by the following formula. V is equals to 1 by 2 pi whole square root of F by mu per second, where V is the frequency, F is the force constant, mu is the reduced mass, and is given by the formula mu is equals to W1 into W2 by W2 plus W1, where W1 and W2 are the masses of the individual atoms.
Types of vibrations. There are different types of vibrations. Stretching, which involves symmetric stretching, simultaneous vibration of two bonds in which they elongate together and contract together. Asymmetric stretching. It occurs when some atoms move in same direction while other moves in opposite direction. Next is bending, which involves in-plane bending. Scissoring. Two atoms approach each other. Rocking. Atoms moving in same direction. Next is out of plane bending, which involves wagging. Two atoms move up and down the plane with respect to central atom. Next is twisting. One atom moves up the plane while other atom moves down the plane with respect to central atom. Instrumentation of IR spectroscopy. First we will start the radiation source, and due to electrical heating it will produce IR radiation. This radiation will goes towards the mirror, which will get reflected, and this radiation will pass from reference cell. When radiation reaches to beam chopper, it will alternatively send the reference and sample radiation. Thus it will reflect those radiation towards slit, and then it goes to the diffraction grating. Grating will diffract the radiation, so resolution will be improved. Factors affecting vibrational frequency. Vibrational coupling is observed in the compounds containing the CH2 and CH3 groups, such as carboxylic acid, amides, and aldehydes. Hydrogen bonding shows the absorption shift towards a lower wavelength. This is observed in alcohols, phenols, and anols. Electronic effects such as conjugation, mesomeric effects, and inductive effects lower the absorption frequencies. Limitations of IR spectroscopy. It cannot determine the molecular weight of a compound. It does not give information about the relative position of different functional groups in a molecule. From a single IR spectrum of an unknown substance, it is not possible to know whether it is a pure compound or a mixture of a compound. Sample cells are made up of halogen salts which are susceptible to moisture. Gas samples cannot be analyzed as they lack sensitivity.
Application of IR spectroscopy used in the identification of function groups in the organic compounds. Example NH, OH, CO, etc. Functional group analysis used for the determination of the F geometric isomers used in the determination of the water in the sample. Example moisture content determination. While studying the progress of the chemical reaction can be determined by the examining the small portion of the reaction mixture withdrawn From time to time, the rate of disappearance of a characteristic absorption band of the reactant group and or the rate of the appearance of the characteristic absorption band of the product group due to formation of a product are absorbed. Example, kinetic studies used in the detection of the impurities. Advantages: cheap. Advantages: cheap, high applicability. Disadvantage: it is time consuming for the sample preparation. It is the destructive method. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. This is the technique which is used to obtain an infrared spectrum of absorption of a solid, liquid, or gas. This offers a significant advantage over a dispersive spectrometer, which measure intensity over a narrow range of wavelength. At a time, Fourier transform is required to convert the data into the actual spectrum. Principle. The main principle involved in the Fourier transform spectroscopy is when a monochromatic beam of light is passed through the sample. The intensity of a light is measured, which is absorbed by the sample. Then the beam is modified to obtain a different number of frequencies, giving a second data point.
Instrumentation. In this instrumentation, the light from the general IR radiation source is collimated and directed to a beam splitter. From this, half of the radiation is reflected to the fixed mirror and the remaining half is transmitted to the moving mirror. Then the light is reflected from the mirror to the beam splitter, then to the sample compartment. The light absorbed by the sample is determined by the general IR detector. Finally, an interferogram is obtained by varying the retardation, which is obtained from the difference in the optical path length between the two arms of the interferometer. There are two principal advantages for the FT spectrometer compared to the dispersive spectrometer. First, Felget advantage. The wavelengths are collected simultaneously and they result in the higher signal to noise ratio for the given scan time or to the shorter scan time for given resolution. Second, Juggernaut advantages. The interferometer throughout is determined by the diameter of the collimated beam coming from the rational source. Application. Using the separation of a mixture of components to individual components, which is not been possible by general IR spectrum. Example, isomers separation. Second, uses in the analysis of minute fraction of samples. Example, elemental analysis. Third, used in the characterization of artistic materials in older master paintings. Example, aging of the painting. Fourth, used for identification of chemical from spills, paints, polymer, coating, drug and contaminants. Example, pollutants and evolved gases. Special thanks to Dr. Shivaji Rao S. Jonde, President of our college, Dr. Geeta Khare, Secretary of our college, and Dr. Nitin Singh Mohire, Principal of our college. Thank you.